In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive online payments using Stripe payment links, a straightforward and efficient way to get paid in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just starting out, setting up payment links with Stripe is a powerful tool to streamline your transactions and make receiving payments a breeze. So let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to your Stripe dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Payment Links option in the menu. This is a comprehensive feature that allows you to create links quickly and efficiently, making it simple for your customers to make payments. When you've located Payment Links, you'll want to click on it and then select New. This will take you to a page where you can start creating your unique payment link. The next step is to select your product. This is an essential part of setting up your payment link as it helps define exactly what you're getting paid for. After you select your product, enter its name and a brief description. This clear labeling ensures that both you and your customers are on the same page about what the payment is for. Next, you'll want to enter the amount. Be sure that this figure is correct because it's what your customer will be charged. Once you've filled in these fields, go ahead and hit Add Product. This step solidifies the information you've entered and gets you closer to creating a final payment link. After you've added your product details, the system gives you the opportunity to enter any additional information that may be necessary. This could include anything that clarifies the transaction, such as tax rates or specific instructions for your customer. It's these small details that can make the payment process seamless and improve the customer experience. When you're finished entering these details, it's time to hit Create Link. And there you have it. You've just created your own Stripe payment link. This link can now be shared with your customers through emails, messages, or even embedded on your website. It's a flexible and accessible way for you to manage payments, providing a smooth transaction process for both you and your clients. Remember, Stripe's platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so managing these links and tracking your payments should be straightforward. This concludes our guide on setting up online payments through Stripe using payment links. With these steps, you can ensure that both you and your customers have a secure and efficient payment experience. Keep exploring and fine-tuning your setup as you get more comfortable with Stripe. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy billing!